Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn Pascal's triangle and binomial theorem. So binomial theorem can be used to expand the binomial, and right here, parenthesis x plus y n the power. We can express that using sigma notation as following. This is a combination. Combination you can express using combination notation, and this is how you solve combination. So I will explain more detail about this binomial theorem a little bit later. So let me explain how you expand binomial. So it's easier with the example. So I will give you some number of examples. Let's say you need to expand x plus y parentheses to the fourth power, for example. So what does that mean, x plus 4 parentheses fourth power? That means you have x plus y parentheses, x plus y parentheses, x plus y parentheses, x plus y parentheses. Fourth power, you will have to multiply by 4 times. And you know how to distribute. You can fold this, you can fold this, you can fold this. So basically, if you fold this, x times x will be x squared. If you fold this, x times y will be xy. X times y, y times x is yx. Yx is exactly the same as xy. Y times y will be y squared. If you distribute that, you will get this. If you distribute this, you will get something similar. X squared plus actually exactly the same. Xy plus y squared. If you simplify, you will have combined like term here. Xy plus xy will be 2xy plus y squared, and you have exactly the same term here. Then what? You have to fold again. Well, it's not fold anymore. You have to multiply this, you have to multiply this, 1, 2, 3 times. Then you have to multiply this to here, this to here, this to here. You have y squared, multiply, multiply, multiply. You have 9 terms available here. Then you have to combine like term. Whatever that is the answer when you distribute fourth power here. So you can imagine how time consuming and labor consuming this could be, especially imagine what if this power becomes a fifth power, sixth power, seventh power. That's gonna be a lot of work. So there's a theorem for this. So let me apply x, I'm gonna use a color code here, x plus y to the fourth power. You can express that as x another x, another x, another x. So fourth power, you need 5 of them. Another x plus y will be another parenthesis plus y same as y, plus y same as y, plus y same as y, plus y same as y. You have a fourth power, you need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. You need the power. Fourth power, you start with a fourth power here, third power, second power, first power, zeroth power, then reverse order. This one starts with zeroth power, first power, second power, third power, fourth power. Okay, we are almost done, except we need to deal with the coefficients. We need to deal with the coefficients. So when you deal with the coefficients, baby, I need your help with the snuggles. So when you have this, now you have a coefficient, 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 coefficient to fill up. So one way from here you can deal with is Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle. So you should be able to draw Pascal's triangle from scratch, 1, and put the 1 for outside, 1 and 1. Next one, put 1 and 1. So between 1 and 1 from the top, you can write the summation of these two, which is 2. Put 1 and 1 for outer. 1 plus 2 is 3. You put that 3 between. 2 plus 1 is 3. You put that 3. Again, outside, you can put as a 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. You can keep building Pascal triangle like this. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. You can keep building it. 6 here, 15 here, 20 here, 15, and 6. You can keep going. What does this Pascal triangle do? Okay, when you try to expand this example, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So in Pascal's triangle, you get to find the row with the 5 numbers in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth row, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 has 5 numbers. So those are the number 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 is a number you write in front of these each terms as a coefficient. Then you're adding them all. Then you get the term you like. So now all you have to do is 1 times x to the 4th power. Y to the 0th power is 1, multiplied by 1. Plus 4 is 4. You got x to the 3rd, y to the 1st is y. Plus 6x squared, y squared here. Plus 4x y to the 3rd power. Plus 1 times x to the 0th power is 1. So it's 1 times 1 times y to the 4th power. So if you simplify, 1 times 1 doesn't do much. X to the 4th plus 4x cubic y plus 6x squared y squared plus 4x y to the 3rd. 1 times 1 doesn't do much. Okay. This is final answer when you distribute. So when you distribute all that 9 different terms, combined like term, you will end up with exactly the same answer. Okay. Let me give you an example with minus in it. What if I ask you x minus 2y, parenthesis with 5th power this time? What if I ask you to expand this one? So since it's a 5th power, you have 6 terms, like 6 terms there when you distribute. So let's just start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm gonna write down minus 2i, minus 2i, minus 2i, minus 2i, minus 2i, minus 2i. 5 power, 5th power, 4, third, second, first power, 0th power. 0th power, first power, second power, third, fourth, 5th power. Now you need to write down the coefficients. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So bring the Pascal's triangle. You are trying to find row with the 6 numbers in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the one. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Then you're adding all of it. Adding, 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 adding. This is goes here. I just wrote it down because I ran out of the space. So if you look at right here, it's a 1 times x to the 5th. That is just 1 times by 1. This term is going to be 5 times x to the 4th minus will survive. So that's be minus 2y plus 10 x to the 3rd second power. That will be 4y to the second power plus 10 x to the second third power. That will be minus 8y to the 3rd power plus 5x 4th power minus disappears. 16y to the 4th power. Then plus 1 times 1 times 5th power, so minus will survive, minus 32y to the 5th power. You still have to multiply. 1 times 1 doesn't do much. Minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. X to the 4th y. Okay, 10 times 4 is 40. X to the 3rd y second power. 10 times minus 8, minus 80. X squared y to the 3rd. 5 times 16, 80. Plus 80, x y to the 4th power. Minus 32, y to the 5th power. Okay, that is your final answer. So be very careful. If second term has minus, the second parenthesis will have minus in it. And depending on the power, even power will come out with a positive. Odd power will come out as a negative, and that will affect the final answer. Positive, minus, positive, minus, positive, negative. You will alternate the sign. Okay. What if I give you this? You should pause it and try it. Okay, let me try it. So 4th power, you will need 5 terms altogether. So 5 times 3x, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, need one more, 3x. Second term is minus y, so you got parenthesis minus y, parenthesis minus y, parenthesis, parenthesis. So fourth power, start with the fourth power, third power, second power, first power. Zeroth power, reverse order, 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth power. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So bring the Pascal's triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this row, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 is the coefficient. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 as a coefficient. Plus, plus, adding them all. Now, 1 times doesn't do much. 3 to the fourth power is what? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. X to the fourth power. 0 power is 1, multiplying by 1. 4 times 3 to the third, 9 times 3, 27. X to the third. And minus 1, minus y to the first power is minus y. Plus 6 times 3 to the second, 9x to the second. And minus second power, minus disappears. Plus 4 to the x, minus to the third power, minus does survive. Plus 1 times 1 times minus to the fourth power, minus disappears. Okay. 81 x to the fourth power, multiplying by 1 doesn't do much. Okay, 4 times 27. Okay, I'm going to use calculator. 4 times 27. 108 plus, whoa. Do you see it's a plus 4 times minus 1 here? So it should be minus 108 x to the third. Now 6 times 9, 54 plus 54 x second y to the third, y to the second. Again here, plus times minus, the sign should be minus. 3 times 4 is a 12 x y to the third and y to the fourth. That should have been your final answer. So please continue the second part of the video and you will explain how to get specific term.